A lot of people get their phones in hand and then just use them as they are. They don't customize their phone or add some new features to it so that it looks good. But in this video and in some series of videos that we're going to be having, we're going to be showing you guys to customize your phone and make it look good. So yeah, for this video I'm going to show you how to change this keyboard and change the theme of it, and put any photo behind it or put a color behind it. So let's get straight into the video. For this video we're using the Google keyboard, but many of you might say that we don't have Google keyboard. So there are many applications on the Play Store as well as on the App Store that allow you to change the theme of your keyboard. But for this particular video we're going to be using Gboard because that is the keyboard that is used by a majority of people. Now I want to click on this Google sign on the left, on the top left, and then you have 4 options here. And on the third option you can see this paint kind of thing. This is actually the theme, and if you don't see this option in the 4 of these options, if you don't see the theme option in 4 of these options, you're going to click on these 3 dots and you might be seeing the theme in one of these 3 options, and you can simply drag it up and set it wherever you want. Now if you have it, you wanna click on this theme option, and there you have it, guys. You have a lot of themes and a lot of colors over here. Like, these are many of these landscapes and all, and like you have a lot of these things, a lot of these colors over here. But if you want to set one of your pictures or your logo's picture or whatever you want, then you can click on this plus and choose the picture from your gallery. Just click on this first option, which is the plus, and choose the picture from your gallery. So we have a ton of options here, and that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that I can reach 500 to 1k subscribers by the end of this year. And like, do subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. So bye bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace. So that is it for this video, and if you learned how to customize your keyboard and you're doing it right now on your phone, then do subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can subscribe to the channel by clicking right down here, down there, and you can see another video over here, and you can see another video over there. So that's it for this video, and hope you liked it, and subscribe to the channel and help me reach my target of 500 to 1k by the end of this year. So till then, we're gonna see you in the next one, and bye bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.